Day 3. Fit check. Hagising ko lang. So, sobrang aga pa. Mga 6 pa lang. Ay, sige, dali na. And then, punta kami dun sa Pangpang. Dun ko na itutuloy yung tulog ko. Si Joy kasi nagyayaya siya. So, 2 days na siya nag-aaya. Di ko siya na pagbibigyan. Hindi ako nagigising na maaga kasi lalasing ako sa bar. Beb, I think wag mo na dalhin yung cellphone. Kasi mag-ATV sila eh. Mag-ATV.
Ano oras to?
7:30.
Ay, wait mo lang.
Pag-uwi natin. Pero, I think so. Tanong na lang natin. Wait. So, tulog pa siya.
What's up, guys? Live update para sa mama. Pumunta kami dito para matulog. Ayan, guys.
Situation. So today we're going to the Boost Party. Outfit check. Bumalik ako ng hotel, naiwan ko yung wallet ko. Naiwan na nila ako. Running. Okay, later na lang. Team Orange. Team Orange. Party boat. Yung mga aesthetic. Yung mga aesthetic. Parating na.
Entry 1!
Parating na yung mga aesthetic. Yan na po. Pupunta na sa boat at tayo mag-aalak na. Glow in the sun. Hindi siya glow in the dark. Mga aesthetic na kasama ko, guys. Ay, nagpana ako. Video, sorry. Balik. Ay na lang, sila na yung bago.
It's a lot, but please drink already, okay? Di naman siya nakakalasing pero nakawala na sarili yan. Mag-ingat po kayo dyan. Okay? And then, for those who want to do snorkeling, we have free snorkeling mask here. It's for free, but please don't lose it, okay? If you lose it, it means that's our salary deduction for us, okay? And then for those who want to do diving, we have a diving area. Please refrain from doing front dive and back dive for those who don't know how to do that kind of stuff.
Shot na, Lods.
And then for those people who don't
Snorkeling nga,
know how to
Lods,
do
eh.
dance, and then for those people who have
Napaka-pogi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.